Here is our XX6. I'm going to talk you through setting your Bluetooth module. First of all, obviously take the lock out of the packaging and remove the battery. Make sure you remove the clear plastic wrapping, otherwise nothing's going to work on the lock. Take your keys, and on your keys you will see a flat key. Put that into the slot underneath the lock there, push back, and that will release the base plate. Once you've removed the base plate, you'll see alarm module. Use your flat key again, pull the tab, and that will release the alarm module. Now, release the battery door, insert the battery, and you should hear a beep. That tells you that there's power in the battery. Now, you want to put this back together as quickly as possible or the alarm will start going off. So put it back in the lock, push it, you'll hear a click. Once you hear the click, the alarm module is seated correctly. Put the base plate, you'll see two little pins on the bottom there. Just push them into the back of the lock, push the lock closed like that, use the flat key, push the pin down, and now the lock is in standby mode. Nothing's going to happen until you arm it by putting it onto your disc. And this is the alarm module, which is totally replaceable. So if you have any problems with this years down the line, you can always contact us to get another one. We also use just a normal CR2 battery, which should last 6 to 12 months, depending on how often you use your bike. You can buy this from anywhere, it's very cheap. Now what you want to do is download the Xena app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you've done that, follow the instructions, and that will enable you to set up the alarm on your lock. You can set the preferences. You can set the alarm volume, the duration it goes off for, how sensitive it is to shock and motion, and you'll be able to monitor the battery life on the lock. So if you're leaving your bike in a garage where there's not going to be much movement around, you can set it to its most sensitive. But if you're in a car park or a parking garage somewhere in the city and there's a lot of noise around and motion, you want to set it to the least sensitive in the shock sensitivity, and motion you can keep it at the most sensitive as well. So here I am in my garage. I'm going to show you how to arm and lock the disc lock onto your bike. Unlock it using the keys, and the key barrel will pop up just like this. Slide it onto the disc, push it down, and that's it. The alarm is now armed. You can walk away. After 10 seconds, anyone touches your bike or tries to move it, the alarm will go off. You can now connect to your lock using your Bluetooth phone. You can adjust the sensitivity, the alarm volume, monitor the battery, or even just turn the alarm off. Now that the lock is armed and on your disc, you can now reconnect using your phone, where you can adjust the alarm sensitivity, the volume, check your battery life, or even just turn the alarm off. So if you want to just turn the alarm off before you come and unlock it, no, you won't hear anything. I'm not turning this off, so you'll see when I put the key in, you're going to get some arming beeps. All you have to do is remove it from the disc, and then that will disarm it. Now there's no alarm that's going to go off. Just close it up, put it in your backpack or put it in your bag, and that's it.